Today we are going to see how to make a potion of fire resistance in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. For that, what you need to do is at first go to a crafting table, and then we need to go and get a blaze rod from a blaze in nether, and then you can get blaze powder, leave it on the craft table and add in the slime ball. You get those from the slime and then come to a brewing stand. After that, add in your bottles of water. Here I'm adding the bottles, and then add in your blaze powder with the nether, which is from the nether wart, and then you can now have an awkward potion. Add the magma cream, and then there we have it, a fire resistance. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.